Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to connect Codex with Blender using MCP Server. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, we have to go to Google to download some requirements before we install the Blender MCP and connect to Codex. Okay, let's go here to Google. Just download here and download Blender from this. Okay, after downloading a Blender, go here, Python, all links you can get in the description. I can get this Python version, the final version 3.14.6 and download it from those links. After downloading Python, let's go to the Node.js. This link, download for Windows from here. Okay, if you have Mac, choose here. After that, download Git from this link. If you have Windows, download from this. If you have Mac, you can download it using this command. After that, download the UV. Okay, before we download the UV in the install link, let's install those programs. Okay, our programs are here. Let's install one by one. Let's begin with the Blender. I'll click here. Next. And take this one. Let's finish. Let's move to Git. Yes. Next. Install. I'll take this one. Let's finish. Python. Add the python.exe to path. Okay, install now. Yes. Setup was successful. Close. Now let's install Node.js. Click here. Next. Install. Okay, finish. Okay, we are done from the setup. Let's move to the UV. Let's return it here. You can get on this link. If you have lower landmark, you can choose one of those commands. If you have window, you can use this URL. Click here and search for PowerShell. Open PowerShell. Paste this command and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, everything is started UV is installed. Now let's move to the next step to install the MCP server for Blender. Okay, close this. And you open Blender. Delete all those. Okay, now let's return here to Google and search for Blender MCP. Okay, fix this one. Okay, you can get the description this page. Okay, after going here, how to install Blender MCP? You can drag and drop the Blender the atom or download from here. Download, pixel download, and open folder. For me, I already downloaded. Let's delete this one. Second one. Okay, this is my add-on. How to add the Blender? You have to go here to edit preferences. Search for add-ons. Okay, I'll start from this. Choose the path. Okay, this is my path. Okay, this is my and the MCP. Now to leave this one, I have to go to system on load line access and return here to advanced. Go right here, start MCP server. This one. Okay, minimize this and let's say save this file. Okay, save. Rename what you want. For example, MCP Blender. Okay, let's return right here to Google and go here, select MCP server. When you are here in this MCP server, go here to MCP server, go to this documentation. On click here. If you have Windows, load this app, this instructions. If you have Mac, load this instructions. Okay, you have to go here to the C drive. Okay, where is C drive? Okay, it's there. It's empty. If you run this and go right here, Control C, and copy this comment, and hit enter. It starts cloning a folder. Okay, this is my Blender MCP is created successfully right here. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is to run the server using you copy this command. Okay, before I copy this command, you have to go here and go to the Blender MCP Resources. Good. Control C, copy it, CD, and go to this path. After going to this path, Blender MCP/MCP, copy this directory, copy, return here, paste, and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, there is this error. Okay, how to fix this error? Okay, close this, and let's open here a PowerShell. PowerShell. Okay, let's return right here. Copy this path, and copy this. Okay, we are here in this path. Okay, let's do the same thing and let's see. It's works or not. Copy this. Return here to PowerShell. Here. Okay, there is this OS error 3. Cannot find the path specific. To fix this command, we have to add this command and let's test it. Okay, as you can see, it started working. Preparing packages, you can use the other command. You can get it on the description. UV directory, RAM, Blender MCP, transport, HTTP. Okay. This is the path. The UV core is running in this server. Okay, let's get the server right now by pressing Ctrl C. Okay, close it from here. And let's move to the next step to install Codex. To install Codex, we have to go here. Okay, and copy this command. Okay, npm install AI Codex, copy this. And search for command prompt and paste it right here. To do that, we have to go here to the location of the installation of Codex. For me is user/uf. Okay, let's return right here. This PC control local drive users uf and this Codex. After that, let's choose this configuration.yml and copy this command to run the MCP server and Codex. MCP server and Blender URL, enable it to make it through. Okay, restrict mode, trust, yes, and hit save all. After that, close this. Okay, now let's test Codex works or not. Okay, this is Blender. We have to use command prompt. Let's return right here to my C drive, Blender MCP, this path, script this. Okay, this path. Type cmd. Let's type Codex Okay, at first we have to set up Codex. Yes, continue. Okay, starting MCP Server as Blender. Okay, I think this error because we have closed the MCP Server. It's not running right now. It's stopped. Okay, let's open the MCP. Copy this command, turn out the UV command, start the server. Okay, now it started. And let's see. Let's close this. And let's open MCP another time. Codex at red cube. And this. Let's see. Okay, rewind this one. Okay, as you can see, it started working. Let's see. Okay, select this one, always allow. As you can see, it works fine. Let's create our red IQ. You can make as you want. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial. This is how to connect Blender with Codex using the MCP server. Follow the step one by one. All commands you can get in the description. Subscribe, like, and support me on Gumroad from the link on description, guys. Okay.